So I just installed my brand new RAM mount camera. Here is me putting it on. Alright, so I just installed my brand new RAM mount for my GoPro Hero 3 to be on my handlebars. So I'm out here on a test ride right now, testing it out to see how it works. And so far I'm liking it a lot. I can see you guys. Hi. And you can see me. So far I'm really liking this RAM mount. It's a really cool mount. And I like it because I can also put my phone on it later on if I want to. So that I can like, you know, put my phone on here if I wanted to, like, oh, I'm writing, hello, I want to watch the newest Do It With Dan video. I guess you can call me Jake the Garden Snake now. I mean, like, I got the Icon variant, and then, like, you know, I got the handlebar camera. You know, we're doing pretty good, you know. Now we just gotta do some cool adventure riding and some wheelies. It is way too dark right now to be wearing this tinted visor. The audio in this video is going to be coming from this camera here, because I've got the microphone that like runs in my helmet here, and like I talk and I like say things and y'all like listen for some reason, and some of y'all like me. I don't know. Here's what you got to do when you got a hill. You got to pull your new trash can up. That's cool. I'll just leave that there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to always like, comment, subscribe, and remember, life's a roller coaster. If you go down, always gonna come back up. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.